اللهم إن هذا المرض جند من جنودك تصيب به من تشاء وتصرفه عمن تشاء. اللهم فاصرفه عنا وعن بيوتنا وعن أهلينا وأزواجنا وذرارينا وبلاد المسلمين، واحفظنا مما نخاف ونحذر، فأنت خير حافظا وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
The world has turned upside down due to the coronavirus. For the first time in our history, we are witnessing such a massive close down of our mosques in the whole world. This virus can be a reminder from Allah about how helpless we are as human beings. Look at the technology in our times: cars, planes, computers, cell phones, rocket ships, and bombs that can eradicate the world. But when Allah sends down a virus so small that the naked eye cannot even see it, the whole world is turned upside down. The fear for this virus is shaking the world. But why doesn't the world fear the one who created it? The Almighty, the ever-living, the one who gives life and never dies. The world should take heed from this trial and turn to Allah. But since you can't control the world, at least control yourself. Turn to Allah. If you didn't pray before, start praying your 5 daily prayers. If your Quran was collecting dust on your shelf, start reading it daily. If you didn't have a loving relationship with Allah, start building one. And if you want Allah to protect you from calamities, do what the Prophet ﷺ advised to do in regards to the solar eclipse. He said ﷺ, when you see it, supplicate to Allah, say Allahu Akbar, pray and give charity. The great scholar Ibn Daqeeq Al Eed said, this hadith is evidence that charity is desirable when someone fears something in order to repel the misfortune that he fears. And it is also narrated that the Prophet ﷺ said, be quick to give charity, for it stands in the way of calamity. You can give your sadaqah to support our da'wah. Become one of our amazing monthly supporters. Not only will you inshallah have Allah's pleasure and protection in this world, you'll inshallah also reap the reward for the message of Islam reaching hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people. With the contribution of our supporters, we monthly reach around 400,000 video views on YouTube and 800,000 impressions on Facebook. And on top of that, we're establishing a masjid and da'wah center in Norway where you can get the reward for every person who prays there, every child that learns the Quran, and every heart that is guided towards Allah. Click the link and donate now, and share the video for extra reward. May Allah bless you, keep you safe, and protect you from every harm. Ameen.